Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by warming up quickly, hum, lip trills, and gentle jaw loosening to protect your voice. Once done, listen to a short Peppa clip and match her bright pitch and playful cadence. Imitate one line at a time. Make a 30-60-second test recording in a quiet room with a phone or USB mic so you can hear flaws. This immediate feedback loop shows you where to adjust pitch, energy, and timing before you proceed to more detailed practice. You now refine the middle steps. Focus on pitch and timbre. Aim for a light, slightly nasal, childlike tone without straining. Once stable, work pacing, short phrases, playful pauses, and crisp consonants so lines read clearly on camera. Make small mouth shape changes to get vowel quality right and mark emotional beats in the script. Simultaneously, optimize mic technique, 6 to 12 inches distance, pop filter, slight off-axis angle. You finish by assembling your best takes into a single performance. Comp the strongest phrases, trim distracting breaths, and normalize levels for consistency. Once done, add directed choices. Vary energy, tweak pause lengths, and time giggles where natural, so Peppa feels alive. Make sure to review full lines for continuity and re-record small sections if needed. If problems arise, background noise, pitch drift, or timing issues, re-record targeted lines. Use gentle EQ/noise reduction, and maintain consistent mic placement to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.